Hello everyone, in this video, how to make a square blur in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your image, then double click the image lock icon. I already unlocked to this image. Then select right click on your mouse, Rectangular Marquee Tool, hold shift, draw, hold shift, then draw on your mouse for fixed size, square size, then move anywhere, click filter tab, blur, use fill blur, iris blur, shift, motion blur, Gaussian blur, etc. Example, use fill blur and increase or decrease your blur pixels, etc. Press Ctrl D. Or you can use Gaussian blur. Simply again apply the same process. Go to filter tab, blur, use Gaussian blur, radius, click OK. Press Ctrl D. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.